Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So today we'll see what is spread operator and how we can use this spread operator in React. One small example we'll see, because if it's a small example in that only you will understand what is spread operator. Main important is what is 3 dot, okay, and one variable will take. What is that? That is only spread operator. So let's see now. We'll take one example, okay, in that only we'll check. So what I will do, I'll create one fresh component for that. So I'll take I'll give name like spread operator.js, okay, spread operator.js I have taken here. Then here it is RFC, then enter. Okay, so I have created here my functional component. Okay, so what I will do, I'll take here I'll take this component to here. Okay, okay, so here it came. Then next, so what I will do now, first for spread operator, one thing is we want state also, because I'm taking that in state. So what I will do, I'll take here state also. Okay, state. Then next I'll make here one constant. Then here my item will come. Then here my set item will come. Okay, then in here use state I will take, and in this my means whatever the list I'm taking for spread operator, that I'll add here in state only. Okay, so what I will take here, I will take here apple, then banana will come. Okay, then papaya will come, then mango will come. Okay, mango will take. Fine. Okay, so what I have done, I have created one state here. Okay, there I have taken one list. Okay, it is my list which I have added in state. Means item is what now, this list is my item now. Okay, so now what I will do, I will take here one button, because button is also shall I take button? Okay, on click only will perform. So I'll take button. On click will function, will run some function. In that will do spread operating and all. Okay, so here I'll take one event on click. Okay, so here my function name is handle click. Okay, so here what I will take here spread operator. Okay, spread operator. Okay, this is done. Next, what I have to do, I have to write my function, right? So what I will do, see, I will explain what is spread operator. Before that I have to write, I'm doing this all these things, codings and all, which is very important, because by taking this only I'm going to explain you what is spread operator. Okay, so this is done. So see what I have done here. Okay, see, I have taken here one state. Then here I have taken, means on button I'll see that output, spread operator output in console. Okay, so here the item is what, here the item is now my list. Okay, now my list will work as item now. Then next, see, in this list I want to add some another list also. Okay, or some another content also. So for that what I will do, I'll take here one single variable, and in that I'll store one my item. In that I will store. Okay, so this is my new item. Okay, this is my new item. Fine. Before that what we'll do, I'll write here this also, I'll comment this. Okay, so first we'll print the spread operator, how it will be. Okay, so one new okay, const new array, means spread operator what it will do, it will generate one new array. Okay, so see what we do generally, we take 3 dots and our spread operator variable name. Okay, this is done. Then what I will do here console.log, then here my new array will come, and here new array will come. Okay, see, spread operator means what? Here I have taken this. Okay, so here no need to suppose if I want this, if I want to print this list, then no need to take again and again in loop and all. Okay, so directly suppose if you take 3 dots and item, it will consider this as this list and it will print this all the list. Okay, so that I'll show in example also. So first let me import here, so I'll import here also. Okay, so this is my spread operator, so it is imported now. You can see here it is imported now. Okay, so let's check in console. See, already it is done. On click also it will. Okay, see, on click that should come. You can see here new array is what? See here, new array. Okay, new array means I have taken only 3 dots and item, but it is taking this all the list. Okay, I am not taking this in loop and all, for loop nothing is there. Directly I am taking here 3 dot and item. This is only the spread operator. Spread operator means what? We can reduce the code also, and whatever the list I am taking, that I am taking here only in 3 dot and item, that variable name, that's it. And you can see here it is printed apple, banana and papaya. Here even will get the index for apple, banana, papaya and mango also, and length also it will tell. Okay, so this is the spread operator main. Okay, suppose this is about the normal spread operator, and suppose if I want to add new item to this this list, so what I will do, I'll create here one that I have done already, that is new item. This item I want to add in this list, so what I will do here, just I will take one of the one item, then this item I have stored here in new item, so that I will take here. Okay, so that I will take here. Then let's see now what will happen. So I'll click on this, so you can see here that item has added here grapes, right here. See, and the length is also 5. Earlier it was 4 and it is 5 now. And see here index, it has taken 4. See, it has taken 4 also. And see, we can do like this also. If I want new item front, so I'll take that also. I can do that also. See, I'll take here and I'll give here comma and I'll remove this, so that item will come first and this item will come later. That also I'll show you. You can see here, see, grapes came first, then apple, banana, papaya and mango, right? So like this is the main spread operator. Okay, see, and one more thing I'll tell, I can take here one list also, one more list also I can take, and I can add here. Papaya is already taken. I'll take different means combination. I'll do gadgets and this fruits. Okay, so I'll take here laptop, mouse, pen drive. Okay, so this is my list. Okay, so let's check now what will come. I'll refresh. You can see here, this is my first list, that is laptop, mouse, pen drive, and this is my second list, right? So it will take in 0 I am getting this, then 1 in 0th index I am getting this, then 1 2 3 4. See, like this you can take list also. I can take here. Okay, so it will create one more new array, it will create. So this is about the spread operator. Okay, so I will do this only, like first grapes was there, and just I have told how we can add list also. That is my intention I want to show. Okay, so I hope you got what is spread operator, and spread operator is important because it will what it will do, it will save our time as well as our coding will be less. Okay, so I hope you got what I was telling and what I wanted to tell, that already I have told. So suppose then also if you have any questions and queries, then please comment in comment, but I will answer to that. Okay, and please guys, you're supporting lot, thank you for that. Then again supports, and my target is 5k family I want to do as soon as early. So please guys, support, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much audience guys, keep supporting guys. Thank you.